Hi, I'm Paulo, and in this video, I'll show you Builderall's newest feature, which is the Message Center. So stay tuned. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, it's all about earning money online. I show how to use platforms, monetize it, and scale the earnings to a full-time income. A bit about me, I used to be in the BPO industry, but then I wanted location and more time freedom, so I became a virtual assistant. But I also wanted financial freedom and more time freedom, and if you're a virtual assistant or still an employee or just trying to earn on the side, you'll never obtain financial freedom, but it's a good stepping stone. So the good thing about being a virtual assistant is you discover the platforms used for businesses, so I started learning more about those and began my research and self-study as much as I can and whenever I can. So now, I'm an entrepreneur and a business consultant, and I'm here to share what I know, especially the concept when it comes to scaling the income in the simplest and easiest way possible. So if that's your jam, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button as I'll be posting videos regularly because I just have so much to share. Let's go ahead and jump right into the content. This is the Builderall dashboard, and on the left would be the features of Builderall. Now, if you signed up for the Builderall business plan wherein you're able to market Builderall as a platform and earn from its affiliate program, you will have this Builderall business menu. And on this menu is where you will find the message center, which is down here, this one. Let's go ahead and access it. Now, the purpose of the message center is for you to be able to message your leads or those who signed up with Builderall through you or through your link or your affiliate link. Okay, so these are the options that you can send the message to. All right, that's on the right, and on the left would be your message. Now, you have, in order to send the message, you have the option to send it by email, notification, which will show up on the lower right corner. All right. Now, you can also do this automatic translation is if you're sending it to somebody from a different country. Okay. So you can have that set up. Builderall Zap, this is for WhatsApp. Okay, if they give up their number, okay, so you're able to send it through messages on WhatsApp. You can also send it. You also have the option to send it by SMS actually. All right. For SMS, of course, you get charged for it. But then again, the best part is for this one, even your inactive leads, okay, you'll be able to message them, make a follow-up, probably ask what happened or so. Tell them to, hey, I'm here to help you, support them. So they'd activate it again, okay? Or the canceled leads, everything is here. So again, in order to access this, it's on the Builderall business menu, which you can have which will be part of your dashboard when you sign up with the Builderall business plan. You just go on the left, just go down, Builderall business, you see here message center, and then here on the left is where you enter your message and the subject, enter a message. Okay, on the right you have the options on whom to send the message to, and at the bottom you have the options on how you want your message sent. either by email, by notification, which pop-ups on the lower right of their dashboard, Builderall's app or WhatsApp, and of course the automatic translation in any case that somebody signs up from a different country or non-English speaking countries. Okay, so that's the message center. This is the latest feature of Builderall right now. And if you want to take advantage of this, you want to have this, you want to use Builderall, you can sign up through the link below. Okay, it will be on the description of this video. And if you have any questions or if you want to learn more, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it or even make a video out of it for you just to show you how it's done. Okay, and also don't forget to take advantage of my bonuses. I have a free email marketing masterclass for more than an hour, a high converting sales funnel, and a high open rate headlines which you can use for your sales funnels or your landing pages and for the subject lines of your emails. Okay, all of those are on the link on the description below. Okay, so that's about it. Just like that, this one's over and I'll see you on the next video. Let's go.